Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to go over the poetry analysis worksheet so you really understand what you're trying to do with this. I wanted to make sure that each category made sense to you because it can be a little bit confusing. So I'm going to go ahead and just break this down. Please just email me if you have any questions, but this is what you're going to be working on today. So first we got our poetry analysis worksheet. This is just like the one that you have that's uploaded to Schoology. The first thing you do, the title, make sure that you capitalize and use quotation marks around the title for full credit there. Author, capitalized, first and last name, if there is one. If there's not, remember we can do anonymous or unknown. Speaker and point of view, so this is a two-step one. You need what point of view is it in? Is it first, second, or third point of view, and is it limited or omniscient? And then also you need who is the speaker? Who do you think the speaker is? Just describe them or take your best hypothesis of who you think is talking if you're not sure. Subject, that's like, what is the piece about? What is the poem focusing on? You could do a theme here if you want, but it's really just asking like, what is the poem focused on? Number of stanzas, you guys know it's like the paragraphs of poetry. Count how many there are, put the number in there, good to go. Mood is how is the poem supposed to make you feel? You can look for keywords to do this, but try to think about how should I feel, or how does the author want me to feel as I'm reading this piece. Purpose, this is author's purpose, so it's really simple. Entertain, persuade, inform, or two of those three. Rhyme scheme is going to be the A, B, A, C type of thing that we talked about. Remember there's four that you already should know. That's AABB, which is couplet, ABAB, which is alternate, and ABBA, which is going to be enclosed, and the last one's free verse, which means there is no definitive rhyme scheme. There's no pattern in the way things rhyme. And if you don't know if it's one of the major ones, write down the letters in that spot, and then at least you have points for doing most of the work. Imagery is the next one. I want you to tell me, is there imagery, yes or no? Give me one example and tell me what sense, which of the five senses is being focused on. Poetic devices, you guys know we've gone over those. Don't be afraid if you're worried about them rolling into each other. Sorry about that, some people like to rip down the road. Poetic devices, figurative language, you might have some crossover. I'm not going to mark you down now or on the quiz if you want to put it in both spaces, or if you happen to put onomatopoeia, just one, that's not going to hurt you. Just figure out what poetic devices are involved in the poem and write that down. Finally, figurative language, just list the figurative language. For these two, you do not need to tell me where they are in the piece, just list the ones that are used, okay? And once you have that done, you are all set. Make sure you email me a copy when you're all finished, but that is going to be due on Tuesday because graduation, and then Memorial Day is on Monday. So I'm looking forward to seeing your guys' work, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a great holiday weekend. Thanks. Bye.